Breaking news. Yes, you heard me right. There is some news that I gotta tell you. I just learned a new code, and I don't fully know how to do it, but I'm gonna try to teach you. And it's basically where you hit a letter, and it makes it go onto a sign. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. So, first you want to get how you're gonna type the letter. Okay, so now you want to make it gray. And then you can make it anything you want. And then you want to assign. Make sure it has A. You can make it any letter you want. And then you hide the model. Bold neon. And then put the number right there. This is just how you mark what number you're typing. Because if you don't, it's going to be kind of confusing. So you can do capital A. And I'll show you how to get like a reference for it if you don't want to watch the rest of this. But then you want to get another sign. Don't type anything into it, just hide the model, bold, neon, and then you can put it at any size you want. It doesn't really matter. So now that you did that, that's the main part. So then you want to get a trigger. And then once you do that, you want to get a code block. You can put it like right there. And then you want to get edit connections, connect it to this, edit it, scroll down to sign right. Okay. And then you want to go back onto program. You want to add a set. You want to go here, constant. Since mine's a lowercase a, you want to put 97. But let me show you what I mean. Click on it. So now I'll show you, if you do capitals, it will be starting from 95 all the way down to 90. And then once you go to lowercase, it goes to 97 all the way down to 122. So yeah. What I did was A, so 97, a lowercase a. So now what you want to do is go off and then click start active, get the trigger, and then you want to go connect it to the code block, and then now you can go on, click the trigger, and it will do it. And then you can also make it for grapple, and then you can just spam. Yeah, but you can make infinite words. So yeah, that's how to make it in grab. So bye bye.